Have you ever noticed a sudden change in your elder child's behavior after the birth of a younger sibling? That silent withdrawal or increased clinging, the sudden tantrums, or even saying, मुझे तो कोई प्यार ही नहीं करता. These are not just words. They are whispers of a heart that's feeling left out. Today, let's talk about something that most parents experience but few talk about openly: sibling jealousy or sibling rivalry. And let's see how to handle it mindfully. What does the first child feel? Imagine this: your child has been the center of your world. Every smile, every hug, every bedtime story. And then, suddenly, a new baby arrives. The world that revolved around your first child now revolves around someone else. They hear things like, "You are a big boy now. Don't cry. Can't you see? I'm feeding the baby. Go play. I'm busy with your little brother." What does your first child actually feel? Firstly, the child is totally confused. Why has everything changed? Then comes in jealousy and resentment. The firstborn might feel replaced or less important, leading to a feeling of jealousy and resentment towards the new baby. The child may start feeling lonely and may experience insecurity. Why is mom not spending time with me? And then exhibit increased clinginess. They may even experience anger, fear. Will my parents still love me? And sometimes regression. Some children may regress in their development, such as asking for a bottle again or wanting to wear diapers as a way of coping with the change. Yes, parents, these emotions are real and very valid. Now, let's see what we can do. How we can make the elder child feel involved. Now, let's shift the lens. What can we do as parents to help? First and foremost, very important, prepare in advance. Even before the baby arrives, talk to your child. एक नया बेबी आने वाला है और उसे हम दोनों मिलके प्यार करेंगे. Talk to the child about the new baby before birth, explaining what will happen and how things will change. Secondly, make them feel important. Give your elder child a special role. Let the firstborn help with age-appropriate tasks related to the new baby, like choosing clothes or helping with diaper changes. You can always say the child, you are the diaper captain. Can you help pick the baby's clothes? You are the lullaby expert. Let us make the small baby sleep together. This would create pride instead of jealousy. Parents, give more attention to your first child. Special time matters. Even 10 to 15 minutes of undivided attention can work wonders. Go for a walk together, reading a bedtime story, drawing together. All this tells them you still matter the most. Then, acknowledge feelings. Don't dismiss them. Acknowledge the firstborn's feeling and reassure them that they are still loved and important. Instead of saying, "Don't be jealous," try saying, "It's okay to feel upset. I understand." That one sentence can become their emotional anchor. Very important, don't compare. Avoid comparing the firstborn to the new baby or putting pressure on them to act in a certain way. Now, parents, let's see if the sibling rivalry already exists. Yes, sometimes, despite your best efforts, Rivalry shows up. Fighting over toys, name calling, hitting or pushing each other. What to do then? Don't label. Avoid saying you're the naughty one or why can't you be like your sister. Labels create resentments. Never compare siblings. Always celebrate their individuality. Refrain from comparing siblings, either favorably or unfavorably. Recognize and appreciate each child is unique. Appreciate their strengths, their talents, their interests. Teach them conflict resolution. Instead of you becoming the judge, guide them. What do you think would be fair? Ask them, how can we solve this together? Equip children with skills to resolve conflicts peacefully. Let them see how you solve disagreements calmly. Avoid accusations or taking sides. Be calm and neutral. Children learn by watching, not just listening. Importantly, parents, celebrate their teamwork. Reward moments when they help or play nicely together. You two make a great team. Even small moments of harmony can be seeds of a lifelong bond. Also create opportunities for siblings to work together on projects, play games, or engage in activities that require teamwork. Parents, it's very important to establish clear boundaries. Set clear rules about respecting each other, sharing, and resolving conflicts fairly. Remember, sibling rivalry is not a parenting failure. It's a cry for connection. Let's not just raise siblings under one roof. Let's raise teammates, co-travelers, lifelong friends. Be the bridge between their hearts because love shared never divides, it always multiplies. I'm Kavita Rajput, the Child Counselor, bringing you stories, tools, and heart-led guidance for real parenting. Parents, if this video touched you, leave a heart and share with a parent who might need this reminder today. Thank you, good luck, goodbye.